We've talked a little bit about intrusive consonants in spoken English. And if we have a word like flower, the phonology of it is that we have f, ol, ow, and The reality, however, is that when it goes through the modality of speech, we can't go from the articulatory pattern of ow to without incidentally producing a w-like sound. Flower, flower. The idea is that that's not actually a phoneme. It's just a transition between the two vowels. Another example of that is in the word fire. We have I, And as we go from I to an incidental y can be made. Fire, fire. Again, that's not a phoneme, it's just an incidental sound made in transition. The same thing can happen in manual languages. So if I were to present the word spit in cued English, I start with s. The consonant is going to be this p, and it's going to give the location for I. Finally, I end with t. Okay, so I have s, p, t. Now, what can happen is that as I go through from one hand shape to the next, my hand can incidentally go through another hand shape. This happens to be a cued speech hand shape. However, spit, it's not a phoneme. It's an incidental, intrusive hand shape that occurs just because of the nature of the articulators. My hand can't go from this hand shape to this hand shape without rapidly going through this one. It's not perceived as a phoneme by the receiver. It's not intended as a phoneme by the sender. It's just an incidental hand shape that goes that happens along the way, just like with fire and flower in spoken English.